Climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies. Welcome to today's video, where we explore climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies, essential steps in combating the effects of climate change and building resilience. 1. Introduction to climate change. Climate change is caused by the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, primarily from human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. This has led to rising global temperatures, extreme weather events, and sea level rise. 2. Mitigation versus adaptation. Mitigation focuses on reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow down climate change, while adaptation involves preparing for and responding to its impacts. Both strategies are necessary for addressing the challenges posed by climate change. 3. Mitigation strategies. Mitigation strategies include transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency in buildings and transportation, and promoting sustainable land use practices. These actions reduce emissions and limit global warming. 4. Renewable energy transition. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower is key to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. These clean energy technologies provide reliable alternatives to fossil fuels and promote energy independence. 5. Energy efficiency measures. Energy efficiency measures, such as using energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and implementing smart grids, reduce energy consumption and lower greenhouse gas emissions from buildings and infrastructure. 6. Sustainable transportation. Promoting sustainable transportation options, such as electric vehicles, bike lanes, and efficient public transportation systems, reduces emissions from the transportation sector, which is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. 7. Sustainable land use. Sustainable land use practices, including reforestation, afforestation, and regenerative agriculture, help sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and preserve natural ecosystems, enhancing resilience to climate change. 8. Adaptation strategies. Adaptation strategies include building climate-resilient infrastructure, developing early warning systems for extreme weather events, and implementing measures to protect vulnerable communities from the impacts of climate change. 9. Climate-resilient infrastructure building. Climate-resilient infrastructure, such as flood barriers, green roofs, and coastal defenses, helps protect communities from the impacts of sea level rise, storms, and other climate-related hazards. 10. Community and policy support. Community engagement and policy support are essential for successful climate change mitigation and adaptation. Governments, businesses, and communities must work together to implement effective strategies and build a sustainable future. Act now for a sustainable future. Climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies are essential for safeguarding our planet and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Let's take action today to build resilience and reduce our impact on the environment. Please do subscribe and follow for more insights on climate solutions.